And some comets do more than self-destruct. They become the messengers of mass destruction. It's estimated that a large comet may have struck Earth roughly every 40 million years, based on the amount of craters still visible on our planet. A comet may have even been responsible for the most famous extinction event of all time.
For the Cretaceous Tertiary extinction event, the one that took out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago, the jury is still out. That was thought to be a 10-kilometer sized object, and there are no asteroids in near-Earth space that are that large that could impact the Earth. And there are a number of comets that are that large. And since it occurred 65 million years ago, and you would expect a cometary impact every 40 million years or so, it may well have been a comet.
While comets most likely slammed into Earth countless times in the past, it's been difficult to determine if an impact crater was made by a comet or asteroid, because the two bodies appear to be similar.
When we study the fossil records, a lot of the material is gone and we simply can't find it. And it turns out that asteroids and comets have a lot of materials in common. So even if you do find extraterrestrial material, it's really hard to tell whether it came from an asteroid or from a comet.
And to complicate matters, a comet doesn't even have to impact Earth's surface to ignite a catastrophe. In 1908, a fireball exploded in the atmosphere above the Tunguska Wilderness in Siberia. The heat and energy from the airburst propelled downward like a hot tornado. It propagated across the forest, flattening over 800 square miles of trees. For over a century, some scientists have wondered if the cosmic intruder was a comet or an asteroid.
If it were caused by a comet, you would imagine you'd find in the sediment some record of unusual things, like a ratio of helium-3 to helium-4. That could be an indication that it may have been a comet. Another possibility is if you find some strange isotope buried in lakes somewhere. That's tough. This is not easy.